Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be doing a little bit of cleanup. We're back here in the backyard. I'm going to walk you around just to show you some of the things that we're going to be doing, because we do have a lot of trash that we need to actually take to the dump. So right now we're mainly just getting that gathered up, doing what we need to do. That way, hopefully next weekend we can take a run and go dump all that stuff at the city dump to get rid of it. You saw that I just got the fire started. For us, we actually do a lot of burning of our shreddables, right? Bill paperwork, anything that normally goes through a shredder, because we do have a small shredder, but it clogs up or it fills up way too fast, and then all that paper, we either burn it or whatever. So just to skip the shredder part, we just burn that, and the wife's going to be coming out. Gladys is going to be doing that here in a little bit. All right, so I do want to apologize if it's a little windy. I don't have another microphone yet for the cell phone. Plus, you're also going to hear traffic, freeways that way. And all right, let's go look around and see what we need to gather up. All right, so we're going to have like random boards like this laying around. This is stuff from the old bed, so we'll gather this up. So we'll pick it up and then go this way. Whew. All right, so there we go. You can see the other part of the bed. So mainly we've just been gathering stuff up over here, piling it up. Wheelbarrow, no. Hand truck, no. That stuff is not trash, but it's over here to kind of get it out of the way. Same thing with some steel, my ladder. But we also need to go back there because I'm gonna have metal and such that I do plan on keeping, but I need to process a lot of this stuff down. Obviously not cut this, because I'm gonna be using this the way it is, but I do have some other metal that I need to process down. That way I can get it all organized and together. So this is where I have all of my metal organization for the most part. This is all mild steel. I do have a few things, some anchor chain, some diamond plate, some copper pipe, and just a few other things. But I do have, if we come back here, you'll look and see, obviously, black walnuts all over the ground, thanks to our neighbor's tree. We have these two tanks that I wanted to do a project with these. I don't know if I want to cut these up before we move or just keep them as they are. And I do plan on taking those, because those are going to be little like portable fire pits for like a patio. Got some square tubing, bucket of junk, some other square tubing, some wood. I can just feel those black walnuts squishing underneath my feet. That's awesome. And then we got some leaf packs back here. So this is all stuff that can be processed down, right? I can get those taken apart, and or if it is easier to move them as they are, since they are all together, I don't know, I might do that. We got some chicken wire, but some of this wood, I'm just gonna throw it away. We're just gonna get rid of this because we really don't need it, or it can just stay with the house. To include like even some of this like chicken wire, we're probably just gonna leave it. I don't know. Might take the big bundle. Some of this metal. Right, I got a lot more. This is all 5160, but just scrap steel. Some of this is going to go to the dump. Right, then I got some stuff in there, some stuff there. That bin there is anthracite coal. I don't necessarily use it because I use bituminous, but I might mix that in with my other coal that I have sitting over here. So if we come back this way, you can see I have all of my bags of coal here. And what I do is I'll open these up and I empty that into this bin here, and it just makes it easier for me to grab my coal. And you can see I do need to refill it, so I think I'm just going to mix some of that anthracite in with the bituminous and just do that. All right, and coming over here, we actually have the kids' swing set that they don't ever use. Yeah, I mean, it is one of those that is just outdated. Anika is a little too big for it, 12 years old, and she just almost tips it over. The little one does swing every so often, but she wants to do stuff with her sister. And then we also have their little fort with a slide. They really don't use the slide a whole lot either. The wife probably wants to keep it. I know she said that she wanted to unbolt this and take it with us. I don't know. I think it's a waste of time because the girls don't even use it. Wagon wheels, they are going with us. I will be keeping that stuff. But stuff like this was that apparel table. This originally was for the forge, and then I converted it over to a workbench, then it's converted back to a forge, and then converted over to a little garden table and stuff. But that's probably gonna eventually get torn down, go to the trash. Then we have another little garden table here that's probably gonna get torn down, go to the trash. And then obviously the garden, the missus still needs to clean out, get that winterized. Then we have some stuff back here. This is a wood burning stove that we got for free from a friend that was moving and or redoing their things. So we were originally going to be building is like a she shed on that little pad there where I have all the blacksmith stuff, but that was all, you know, hopes and dreams. Now we've decided that we're done with Virginia. We're ready to move on. So we're not going to be doing any major building like that. All right, so that's just a quick walkthrough of some of the things that we're dealing with. Cleaning up, getting the big pile done over there, and got the little one raking. But yeah, while she's doing that, let's go ahead and continue straightening up stuff, and yeah, follow along, time lapse. Alright, so I think we're going to call that one a wrap for a video. Basically just cleaning up the yard, doing some fall cleaning, as you will. And next weekend we'll be taking that big pile to the dump, because we really only have a chance to do it on Saturday, so we have to plan our Saturday for that. They are open during the week, but I'm not going to have Gladys doing that all by her lonesome. So yeah, it is what it is. So I definitely appreciate you guys for following along on our journey, even though this is just a simple cleanup video doing chores around the backyard. And like I said, we are trying to put out a video every single Monday, every single Friday. Monday at the bare bones minimum, so at least one video a week. That way you guys are guaranteed to see this awesome bearded face. Right now I'm hot, I'm sweaty, even though it's in the 60s. It's about lunchtime, So yeah, let's get inside and get some lunch and some tea, and don't forget to give us that thumbs up, hit that subscribe if you guys don't mind, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye now.